Hello and welcome to HH Beauty Garden. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite little secrets. With just a few familiar ingredients, coffee, rice, garlic, honey, and a pinch of turmeric, you can help a rose cutting grow roots, sprout healthy leaves, and bloom beautifully in your home garden. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel or leave a comment to let me know where you're watching from. Step 1. Choose a strong rose cutting. Start by selecting a healthy green rose stem, firm, fresh, and free from disease. Choose one with 2 to 3 leaf segments, then remove the lower leaves, leaving just 1 or 2 leaves at the top. These leaves will allow the cutting to photosynthesize without wasting too much energy. Step 2. Cut and prepare the stem. Using clean, sharp scissors, cut the bottom of the stem at a 45-degree angle. This increases the surface area for rooting and helps prevent water from collecting at the tip. If your stem has thorns, gently remove them. This will help avoid rot and make planting easier. Step 3. Disinfect with garlic. Take 1 fresh garlic clove, cut it in half, and gently rub the cut side onto the bottom of the rose cutting. Garlic is a natural antibacterial agent. It helps clean the cut and also stimulates root growth thanks to the natural allicin compound. Step 4. Brew a coffee root tonic. Take 1 tablespoon of pure ground coffee and place it in a clean glass jar. Add 300 milliliters of boiling water. Coffee is rich in mild acids, antioxidants, and minerals. It helps stimulate root development, keeps leaves green and glossy, and adds a gentle energy boost for the new plant. Cover the jar and let it steep until it cools completely. Step 5. Soak rice for natural nutrients. Add 3 tablespoons of raw rice into 200 milliliters of clean water and let it soak for 30 to 45 minutes. Rice water releases vitamin B, natural enzymes, and gentle minerals, which support healthy root growth, help prevent rot, and give the cutting a better start. Step 6. Mix the two solutions and add honey. Once the coffee and rice water have cooled, mix them together. Then strain through a fine sieve or clean cloth to remove any residue. Now add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent. It protects the cutting from infection and gently encourages rooting without harming tender tissues. Stir well, and you've now got a complete organic rooting tonic. Step 7. Prepare the sand and pot. I like to use clean sand as a growing medium. Sand drains well, which helps prevent rot and creates the perfect conditions for rooting. You can reuse plastic cups by poking a few holes at the bottom, a simple, eco-friendly option. Fill the cup with moist sand and gently press it down so it's ready for planting. Now pour your tonic over the sand, just enough to make it slightly damp. Step 8. Plant the cutting and create a mini greenhouse. Insert the cutting into the sand, about 2 to 3 nodes deep, making sure the top nodes are just above the surface. That's where new leaves and shoots will begin to grow. Next, take a larger plastic cup with air holes and place it over the cutting. This creates a mini greenhouse effect, helping retain warmth and humidity. Put the cup in a bright but shaded spot. Avoid direct sunlight. Step 10. Daily care and results. Check the moisture daily. Keep the sand slightly damp, not soggy. Now all you need is patience. In just a few weeks, you'll begin to see tiny new shoots appear from the leaf nodes. That's a beautiful sign of life. And when you gently lift the cutting from the sand, you'll see fine white roots forming underneath. At this point, you can transplant the cutting into a larger pot to grow stronger before moving it into your garden. It's amazing, isn't it? From just one small cutting, you've grown a brand new rose plant, strong, healthy, and full of promise. Thank you for joining me today in the garden. If you enjoyed this gentle guide, please like the video and feel free to subscribe for more natural gardening tips. I look forward to seeing you again here at HH Beauty Garden. Wishing you peaceful moments and beautiful blooms in your own green space.